So continuing on from a previous video, we are still working on planing these red boards. We're not sure what we're going to do with them yet, but that'll be seen. So yesterday Virginia and I were here and we buried power and we buried water right there, but power's underneath here. Wraps around the outside of the shed and put it all the way up to where the well will be, and eventually we'll dig a hole that goes in through here and over that way to the temporary power. But we got quite a bit done. And I forgot my camera, so I'm updating you now. I put stones underneath where the tin metal roofing was that we used to protect underneath, but it didn't stop Helene. That went under there and gave us about 10 inches of mud underneath there, so I had to dig all of that out. What I did was I put stones there, and then we'll eventually fill that with dirt. And hopefully it'll hold it back. That's our future plan. Well, this is 3-inch, but that's not really, this looks like it's more like 4-inch. I don't know why that's not working. Took me a while, but I figured out where to hook this sewer up, and that it had to be raised up. This has to be raised up 1/4 of an inch This has to be raised up 1/4 of an inch per foot. So those stones are a 12 foot and it's up about 4 inches. So I'm above where I really needed to be. So we're all good. Now we can close this in, that corner. And we got a bunch more water in here. And hopefully no frogs. Whoop, it looks like a frog maybe over there in the corner. What's that right there? Maybe it's a leaf. It's a leaf. So there it is in position, all glued together, leading down into the septic tank. So they marked our power lines, which is awesome. I'm not sure what this means, but it goes right down this, almost the center of the road, this little road that goes down to the bridge. And we knew it went there anyway. I don't know what these dots are here. That dot, that dot. I have no idea. We'll have to call them and ask them. But it's well out of the way of other lines. The power we're going to run is the white line, this one right here, and I'll just cross right there where the main electric goes across the bridge, or across the river since the bridge is gone. This is the white line right here where the fence will go. And that's where the electric is. But I believe that electric runs underground up the road. Actually, that's orange, so I'm not sure what that one is. One is orange, one was pink. So we'll have to find out what those are. But it's very far away, probably 7 feet away from where the fence will go. So we got to find out about this thing right here. It's AT&T. So we got to find out about that. Here, all the septic got buried in. This has to be lowered here, this area. But we got to put this cement back in here and bury that. So that'll happen. The guy who did the septic covered this, puts grass seed and hay down, keep the bugs away. I'm looking over here more. You know, he dug a little bit out of this hill, lowered that a little bit. So dug deep around this, so when they cut this off, they can cut it low. This is the hickory tree we're taking to get milled, but he dug down low so the guy taking the tree down can hopefully cut low and with his chainsaw. So I don't have to worry so much about this as a stump. Thing he did over here, he's gonna come back and do some other stuff for us, which is awesome. But there was this pipe coming out of here, and I think it was the pipe that fed the water system to help put out fires on this mica plant that is next to our property. It's defunct, 75 years now. He pulled that out. That's going to need to be removed because that is the hole we're going to use to service this house right here. We're making this water storage. That's what it was designed for, water storage. We're going to make this out of the house, as I'm sure you've seen because you watched all my other videos. Anyway, this is what we're going to use to enter the house with water and with electric. So that pipe needs to come out of there. We need to put like a softer PVC in there that will help prevent any damage to the electric lines and the water lines. The next step of this process is putting the water pump in over there and digging a trench all the way over here to the house. And then the next step after that will be, and we're also going to put the electric in at that time, but the next step will be the building of this, the repair and the building of the house, which will sit on this cement structure.